I don't know if you're going to find a better place in Indonesia than this. Ubud. From incredible temples to cheeky monkeys and never-ending rice fields, Ubud is by far one of the best places we have ever traveled to. Join us on this mesmerizing journey to the heartland of Bali in this part 1 of our 2-episode Ubud series. Don't forget to subscribe, click like and follow us on Instagram for upcoming adventures. And now it's time to show you heaven on earth.
How are you today? It's good? Very good.
Very good.
And you?
So nice.
After a short golf cart ride from the main road in Ubud, we arrived at our resort. This place is absolutely recommended. We were treated with a welcome drink and amazing views right in front of the resort, which is surrounded by lush green rice fields. And the only thing we could think was...
We're in heaven.
we were indeed in heaven. Welcome in Ubud, the place I long to be for a long time. Right behind us is our villa. We will show you more about it tomorrow. We are now right in the middle of some rice fields. It's so beautiful and green. And the rest of the day we will explore more of Ubud.
We are going to a temple in Ubud. And this ride is awesome.
Love it here!
We rented a scooter and started our ride in a beautiful and scenic landscape that is very typical of Ubud and its outskirts. Saying that our scooter ride was out of this world would be an understatement. This is the best way to enjoy the scenery. We were driving towards one of the most popular temples in the area. Ivanka and I are proper Balinese Hindus now. We are at tirtaempul. It's a Balinese temple. Balinese people come here for ritual purification, so it has a number of different showers. And as you can see from the clip, hardly anyone here is Balinese. All of them are tourists. But it's a very, very, very culturally rich experience. Very clever. After you're done with the temple, you have to walk through this market street where everyone is trying to heckle you. Ubud just keeps surprising me and amazing me, to be honest. It's very hard to beat this place. I don't know if you're going to find a better place in Indonesia than this. The tirtaempul temple was amazing. It's a very ancient temple from 960 AD, I believe. Now we are going back to the center of Ubud, but on the way we have stopped over for lunch. And look where we are sitting, next to these amazing rice terraces.
There's a time for us, I know we could have it all. If you stay for a while,
After a wonderful lunch and a quick stopover at a very convenient gas station, we carried on to Saraswati Temple in the center of Ubud.
I know we could have it all.
Good morning from day 2 from Ubud. We have our nice luxury breakfast, which is almost a feast. Have a look. Ivanka is sitting by the pool and we have a view of a lovely rice paddies right in front of our infinity pool. We will give you a quick house tour in a bit. So when we arrived yesterday, the hotel people, they told us that we have a chance for a free photo shoot in the middle of these rice paddies. So we didn't want to give that up. Now we are all dressed and ready. Plan for today is to go and explore the monkeyforest, which is a nice ecological area where monkeys just roam freely around. To be honest, I didn't want to go, but Ivanka somehow forced me to. And after the monkey forest, we are gonna go to Champuhan for a ridge walk near sunset. Let's get going.
we are taking a walk through the rice fields. It's right opposite of our villa, so it's where we look over it. And it's so beautiful. The rice looks like it's ready to be harvested. Yesterday evening they were already setting some fields on fire, so I think that is part of the process. And this really feels like holiday. It's really my kind of nature. I love it so much. It's beautiful. Ubud, you must really come here. We are here in the garden of our accommodation and we will show you our great villa. It starts with its own hallway. A really nice entry. And over here we have a very comfortable bed. And the hosts were so nice. We have some local fruit from their own garden. And next to that, a personalized message. We also have a Bluetooth speaker in the room and a small television. And now let me show you the bathroom area. Through this door. Over here, sink and a really big nice mirror. And an outdoor hot tub. And an outdoor shower. Also an outdoor, you know what. Let me take you to the best part of this room. Look at this view. We have our own infinity pool with the greatest view of all times, the rice paddies. So you know where to find me the rest of the day.
Watchers don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it. Let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch.
Today we are at monkeyforest. We were doubting to come here because normally we're a bit scared of monkeys, but they're my favorite animals, so couldn't miss out anyway.
Not my favorite. Yeah, monkey forest. So excited.
Whole family.
This place is Ivanka's paradise. I've not seen Ivanka this excited before. Overall, it's a pretty great experience. The forest is really beautiful. The monkeys, they are not as scary as I thought they would be. There are some people feeding them and making them sit on their shoulders. Don't do that, guys.
Level of cuteness of these monkeys, 100%. Oh, so cute.
The monkey forest was surprisingly good. Now we have come to Chempuhan Ridge Walk. It's one of the top 10 things to do in Ubud. And so far it looks incredible. There's a nice river flowing here and we have nice, amazing forest.
So the Chempuhan Ridge is the place where the two main rivers of Ubud meet each other.
And it's about 2 kilometers long. I mean, it's a nice walk. There is a river flowing next to the ridge, but there's a lot of grass and weed and stuff all around this path. So it's not like you can see a lot, but it's pretty relaxing to walk around. We hope you enjoyed part 1 of our Ubud experience. Stay tuned for the next video where we take you to the most famous rice terraces of Ubud and some epic waterfalls.